Got some trash across the street here. Before we get started, let me go grab it. All right, so we're here at our state home site that we're building. Last time you were here, you saw this huge, massive tub grinder. Today we got the track loader here, dumpster, 2 trailers, bobcat, and when you look at the lot, you can see it's completely cleared. Everything's been marked, been staked off. Just to give y'all an indication of what these stakes mean, these green flag stakes here, this is where the septic drainage field is going, to the front of the house. These pink stake flags here, these are corner markers and offsets for where the foundation of the house is gonna go. And I just got a splinter in my hand. Ow! Dealing with that thing. God, woo, that hurt, that splinter. All right, so let's go check out the back. So what we're doing here is we're gonna be working from back to front. And the reason why we're doing that is because of the natural slope grading to the rear of the property. This property sits on 2 acres of land. We got the natural well now drilled. We had to use 70 feet of metal casing that went all the way to, I wouldn't say that's the core of the earth because the core of the earth is pretty deep, but it went through some bedrock to get to a natural spring well for the house to have a natural source of water that's provided to it. So we'll check out where that natural well has been actually drilled in the rear of the house, and we're getting ready to start the foundation of the pool house to backfill to work towards the house. So let's go check it out. Where I'm standing right now, you're gonna get into the excavation of the main house. We started doing some excavation drilling for the old well, and we could not find that thing. But I'm so glad to be developing and building in Fairfax County because the people down at the health department really do work with you. And we appreciate that to the utmost. So let's continue to the back of the lot so you'll see what we have going on. One of our excavators down there. And this is literally about a 30-foot drop from where I'm standing now. So the plan here is, you can see he has this excavator there, is right now we have to make this area of the lot where the pool house is going, we have to bring it up to grade. And these stakes tell us where we are as far as grade is concerned. And there's different things you can do. You can use an old school method, just using a tape measure, or you can use lasers, which I think he has a laser system down there. There's actually a special name for that equipment too when you have the whole setup. I forget what it is right now, but get back to me and I'll tell you. As you can see over here, this is where we have the new well with this casing right here to the rear of the lot. So the new well has been drilled. And what he's gonna do next is he's now just marking off where the foundation of that pool house is gonna go. So building in a smart way, because we have this 30-foot natural drop here, this natural slope, we're gonna go ahead and erect the basement walls of the pool house, and we're gonna put retaining walls along the side, and then we're gonna start to backfill with solid dirt and compact. Now there's a very important reason why we wanna make sure that we get a compactor out here and truly compact the dirt super tight with, you know, the most dense dirt possible. And you wanna think about this when you're backfilling anything that is 5 feet or more. And when you don't compact the dirt very well, and when you don't compact the dirt where it has no room for settlement, especially when you're doing pool decking, what happens over time is that there's a natural compaction of the dirt with the weight of the decking, and it slowly but surely drops over time. Now, why is that important? Because all your pool decking will drop with that. You'll start to have cracks, you'll start to have depression spots that make the leveling of the decking uneven, and you don't want that. Goes on our site. This is Tony of City Concrete, really great dude. He's a concrete project manager for this job. Tony, can you tell us a little bit about what's going on today?
while we're laying out those pool house footings. And I'll go over with you about access
Yes.
and the retaining walls.
All right, so me and Tony gonna get to work while our super duper photographer, videographer, Sandra's gonna just record us while we're doing our thing. Tony's gonna follow me going down this hill. We're gonna take the fast route. Let's go, Tony. Come on, Tony. He's so cool with it.